All right, LipoJaro reviews and complaints. If you're looking around online for LipoJaro supplements, something having to do with a celebrity endorsement, a doctor endorsement, this has scam marketing surrounding it. I'm not saying LipoJaro or LipoJaro is a scam. I guess they call it Jaro because it's like Mounjaro, weight loss. But this is not going to have miracle properties. No doctors, hospitals, universities, or famous people ever endorse this product, and there's scam marketing out there for it. So even aside from the scam marketing, this is not going to do something amazing for you, and I do not suggest that you buy it. I viewed an ad that said something about a gelatin recipe that led me to this website here, where you can see something about Dr. Oz and gelatin, but he never actually endorsed this. Talk more about that here in a second. That is a fake promise. There is no recipe. They're going to sell you a bottle of pills. They're lying to you. The scammers are. This is on a website that's pertaining to be CNN Health that then leads to the next website. And I'm going to hit play on this. It says 60 Minutes, CBS News, but this is a scam website pertaining to be 60 Minutes to try to get you to believe that 60 Minutes covered this, and they never did. So if you saw this going around online and you're wondering, hey, is this going to be something that's legitimate? It is not legitimate in that it's not going to have miracle properties. So I'm going to hit play on this video now. We're going to see exactly what they're promoting. Just know that this involves a scam. I'm not calling LipoJaro a scam product, but I am saying in terms of LipoJaro reviews, I would recommend never buying this.
Why did eating just 1 cube a day of this strange gelatin trick make Kelly Clarkson lose 60 pounds in just 68 days? No dieting, no working out, and no giving up the foods she loves every day.
So just to make sure, these are deep fakes, meaning manipulated lip movement and AI-generated audio. Again, no doctors, hospitals, universities, or famous people ever endorsed this or talked about LipoJaro in any way. This is a recycled video that scammers have used for other similarly named products, making me think this product is not going to do anything at all, like sugar pills or something. I don't know. But Dr. Jennifer Ashton has nothing to do with this. Kelly Clarkson has nothing to do with this. Rebel Wilson, if they show her, or Meghan Trainor, the Kardashians, no one famous ever took this and lost weight. Those people did something else.
My name is Dr. Jennifer Ashton, physician, author, and American television correspondent on ABC and GMA, and creator of this home remedy you are about to learn. And let me warn you, this trick will force your body to burn 15, 20, and even 35 pounds of stubborn fat in the next 30 days, even if you continue to eat your favorite foods. I mean it. I'll tear up my medical degree if it doesn't work for you. And after I officially leave ABC, I'll reveal exactly how to do it at home in less than 2 minutes in this one video. When I say I lost 61 pounds just by doing a simple trick with gelatin once a day.
That is an AI-generated image right there in the middle of Kelly Clarkson with a big bowl of gelatin or Jell-O. And the reason why they're showing this, it's a hook. The recipe promise is a hook to get you to watch the whole video. It's a lie. There is no recipe. They're going to keep claiming, hey, we're going to reveal a gelatin recipe to you for weight loss. There is no gelatin recipe. If you find one online, it's fake. I'm telling you, I know what I'm talking about. I don't know a whole lot about anything, but I do know about scams that are online. This gelatin thing is the new thing going around online in the last few weeks, months. And this is a completely AI-generated image of Kelly Clarkson with gelatin or Jell-O, and she never actually posed like that in the middle.
Day. No one believes me, but it's true. And it all started when Dr. Ashton called me and asked a very strange question. Do you have gelatin at home? At that time, I weighed about 203 pounds, and I was constantly in the headlines because of my weight. Magazines made jokes saying that at that size, I would never be able to be the confident, sexy woman I once was. But in just 2.5 months, without dieting, eating everything I wanted, without exercising, and without taking any medication, I lost 6.
You have to diet and exercise. And now, yes, for some people, I get comments sometimes, diet and exercise doesn't work for me. Okay, but for the majority of people, it does. But diet and exercise, when they say no diet, no exercise, you're going to be looking at a scam promise.
61 pounds using just this simple and delicious gelatin trick every morning. It was like taking Mounjaro daily, but without the side effects. It became my daily ritual. Something so basic flipped a switch in my body and eliminated obesity, even with the rush of recordings and shows. As Kelly said, it's like taking a dose of Mounjaro, but without the side effects. And with a huge bonus, you burn fat even faster. In recent months, I've received messages from women asking for help because they had to stop using the gelatin trick after going from a large to a medium size in less than 10 days.
I'm very careful when recommending the gelatin trick. My belly flattened in just 10 days and I had to stop. Even my underwear started to slip. Just a warning to everyone who follows me.
So we don't need to look at anything else. LipoJaro supplements. If you're looking around online and you see a money back guarantee through a scam funnel, guess what? They're not going to give you your money back. That's not going to happen. If you see FDA approved, it's not FDA approved. If you see comments and reviews that are positive, those are fake. And if you see, hey, it's just going to cost this much, here's your price, it might come with a subscription of hundreds of dollars a month. You know, it's all this is not good. And I hope that you understand that, because the way these sorts of scams work is that they show you a product that just doesn't have a parent company name for whatever reason. You can't find information about who created it, who's the founder, where are they located, what is in the pills. Show me the process of how they make the pills in like a plant, a factory, whatever. Where do they make them? Where do they bottle them? All that information is not given to you. For what reason? It's all secret. For whatever reason. And a lot of this stuff seems to be going back to Brazil. If there's anything else called LipoJaro or LipoJaro that has a similar name, the same name, whatever, I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about how there is scam marketing, and I'm trying to save people from that. So go see a doctor, even if you're like, I already saw a doctor. Oh, I don't like big pharma. Okay, no one likes big pharma, but don't go and fall for a textbook online scam just because you don't like going to see a doctor in your town. Ask a family member, a friend, hey, who's your doctor? Oh, that sounds good. I'll get an appointment with them. That makes way more sense. It just does. These weight loss scams are out there in force, and they are hoping to get you. This whole thing, these sorts of medicinal product marketing packages, whatever you want to call them, that begins in a Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok ad, right? Or a website ad. It goes to a website with a long video like the one we just started watching, which is probably going to be an hour long. That then goes to a purchase page. That whole process is not packaged to help you with whatever the supposed health benefit is that the scam marketing video with the celebrities and the doctors are promising, right? With the deep fakes of those people. That is not what this is about. This is about designing something to try to fool you into giving up your credit card number. That's all this is. This product is not going to help you lose weight in a miracle way. No celebrities ever did it with this product. This is a brand new product name, from what I can tell, in the last month, where someone has changed the name, likely, of a past product with a similar name beginning with lipo or whatever, or sugar or gluco or glyco or whatever. And they have changed the name to something else for marketing purposes, for online marketing purposes, so that they can dominate the keywords before people like me come in and try to make a video to save people from losing money. That is what's going on here. They change the names of these things, these products, all the time, so that in search results, they can try to dominate the top space before people who do scam busting videos, scam busting articles, whatever it may be, come in and try to save people. And by the time a bunch of people make videos or articles, they change the name again. And you might be wondering, well, how come the FTC doesn't do anything about this in the US? How come there aren't governmental authorities or law enforcement doing more to track these people down? How come the advertising platforms like Facebook and Instagram, meaning Meta, or TikTok, or Taboola, which is an advertising platform, or Outbrain, another advertising platform, or the website you're looking at right now, the one you're viewing me on, the app you're looking at me on, why don't these companies refuse money from people instead of just allowing scam ads? Like Meta allows scam ads by the thousands, outright scam ads. They accept money from fraudsters to allow scam ads, and no one does anything about it. And that's just the way that the world works these days. If you're a massive corporation, you get away with that sort of thing. But if you try to do that, if you did one thing, you're going to get a knock at the door from the FBI, law enforcement, whatever, and you're probably going to be brought to justice. But they don't, these tech companies don't get brought to justice, do they? No, they don't, because they have a pass. And that's the way the world works. And it's really sad. And even if the FTC or someone, some governmental authority, law enforcement arm, whatever, fined Meta a massive fine, is that really going to impact the people at the top of the company? Or is Meta likely to just fire a bunch of people at the lower rung, the lower level of the company to make up for that cost? I mean, that probably, in my opinion, that's probably what they would do. And the people at the top, no. Like, that's the way the world works. If you're the little guy, you might get in trouble. If you're the guy way up here, you get off scot-free. And that, I don't see that changing anytime soon, unfortunately, in my entire life. So it's very, very unfortunate. That's a little rant there at the end. LipoJaro reviews. If you're looking around for information about this weight loss product that's not going to help you lose weight in a miracle way, go see a doctor. And if you did order this and you already got charged and you want to know how to stop the payment, you can't find a phone number easily and you need help, call your credit card company, tell them, hey, I saw a scam marketing video with deep fake technology and celebrities that never actually talked about it and a doctor who never talked about it, AI stuff. I'd like to report fraud. That's what you should do if you saw the scam marketing stuff and you fell for this and you paid for it. That's my advice. I hope my video has helped you. Like, comment, subscribe. The join button is down below. And thank you so much for watching.